Hi guys, I just wanted to come on and show you how I make that super simple pizza dough recipe that I was talking about in my meal plan and shopping video. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. So as I explained on my shopping video, it's a really simple recipe. I use Greek yogurt. This is 5% fat. The recipe called for low fat, but you don't have to use low fat. I think it would get maybe a bit like greasy, maybe, I don't know, I haven't tried full fat. So this is low fat, and then plain flour, and then just 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and it's 100 grams of plain flour per 100 grams of yogurt, and that makes 1 pizza with like a sprinkle of baking powder. So because there's 5 of us, we each get our own pizza. 500 grams of the plain flour, 500-gram tub of Greek yogurt, and then I use a teaspoon of baking powder, and that seems to work. So here I've mixed the flour and baking powder, and then I've just added the yogurt in, and it does take quite a while to mix in because it's quite a thick yogurt to mix in, but I'm just going to give that a good mix, and then you'll be able to see what the dough looks like. So now the dough is really well mixed together. It will kind of look like this. It's not a super sticky dough. I've oiled my hands. I have also oiled some tin foil on pizza trays. You don't have to use the tin foil, but I can just chuck it away at the end rather than the trays getting really oily and the oven getting dirty. So that's what I do. Got all my bits out ready. Sorry, I probably meant you to see then. But then I cut it in half, and then one half I make 3 small pizzas for the kids, and the other half I make 2 pizzas for me and my husband. So yeah, I'll just roll this out now so you can see. You don't have to wait for this to rise at all. So I'm just going to roll these out. I've got the 3 trays ready for the kids, and then once theirs cooked, I'll make mine and my husband. But yeah, if you use oil, I find you don't end up using like a ton of flour then. So just a little bit of oil on your counter and on your rolling pin, and that's fine. As you can see, they're never fully round. They just are how they are, and that's fine. They still taste like pizza, so no one's gonna go. And for the toppings, I just literally got the most basic tomato sauce. The pizza sauces are really expensive, and it's pretty much what's in this. Sorry, I had to stop and get my 6-year-old a snack and drink. So yeah, the ingredients are basically the same in a pasta sauce. So I just put a generous amount of that on each one. So I'll just do one to sort of show you what I'm doing. You can't really see me anyway, so you can make it a bit better. So yeah, just leave a bit of a crust, although mine never eat the crust anyway, so I'm not sure it matters. And then got some grated mozzarella, and then I really like this mozzarella, so I got some of that as well. So this is never going to be enough. So I'll just open that up. I've got all my drawers open. My husband had the day off today, so we had a lovely afternoon at the local wildlife park, so everyone's kind of gone their separate ways and is watching TV, movies, chilling. So I thought, get started on dinner and do something simple and quick because everyone is tired, and I am thinking and hoping that means an early night. So sort of a picky dinner. I was going to do some veg on the side, and yeah, that's going to be dinner. So this one I'll do for my 6-year-old. He loves pepperoni, so I'll do him some pepperoni.
Mommy.
Yes, darling.
Thank you very much. Can you pause?
Yeah, I can pause it. Do you need me? So yeah, I'm just going to do a really basic one for him. Get some pepperoni on and probably some sweet corn. And then, like I said, he'll have frozen veg on the side anyway, so it's not like he's not getting any veg. And they like broccoli, carrots, that kind of peas, that kind of thing on the side. And he will eat a whole pizza and ask for seconds. So sometimes I just give him some of the slices so there is seconds available. But this is his pizza, and he will devour the whole thing. And then he'll have a side of veggies as well with that. And then I'll just do my other 2 children's. So this is the first pizza that's come out. It literally took 10 minutes and it's already crispy around the edge. While I've been waiting for it to cook, I've been making a quick crepe recipe. This is an egg-free crepe recipe, which I use almost every day. I haven't cut them up yet, but this will be my 6-year-olds. They're huge. Like, they're really, it's a tight dinner plates. So this will be my 6-year-olds, my 8-year-olds, and my 12-year-olds. Just cheese and sweet corn and ham for those 2, and pepperoni and sweet corn for my youngest. And I'll make mine and my husband's now, but that will probably be with salad on the side. And that is dinner for tonight. So super simple, 10 minutes to prep, I would say, if that. No time to wait for the dough to rise, and then 10 minutes for it to cook. And they're super delicious. There's no yogurty taste in my opinion, because that's what my daughter especially doesn't like. She doesn't like yogurt. And we were trying to introduce it a bit more into her diet, and so this works really well. This is my pizza. I have added some pickled onion from our gyros, is that the right word, that I did the other night. It looks so yummy now. It's like pickled for a few days. Mozzarella, pepperoni, and basically all the leftovers of what the kids' pizzas didn't have. So I had the rest of the sweet corn, some peppers that we had left over as well, and that's going to be my pizza. Done probably 8 crepes, and then my yummy pizza there. So breakfast is sorted for the next few days, and I can sit down now and enjoy my pizza.